Hi everyone, my name is Bo Nan and you're listening to Buddhism Bits. This is our episode number 42 and it is on one modern saying or one modern quote that goes mind over matter. Well, it essentially means, overcoming your physical problems or, overcoming physical limitations by your willpower. So if you were to have a strong enough willpower, you can essentially, overcome sort of all limitations. You just can't do anything with a strong enough willpower. Well, in Buddhist sense, mind over matter, the mind is one of the 6 elements, and it acts like, a headquarter or the center of all other elements, which are, the earth, the water, the wind, and the fire. It is like the headquarter, so it's sort of like it controls all other elements, and everything in this world, including your body, is comprises of those elements. So in a sense, according to Buddhism, the mind controls all other things. It either purifies or contaminates other elements, making you either prettier, healthier, or, on the other hand, more ill or more run down. And that is why it is very important, for you to purify your mind, because it is the headquarter of all other elements. And, the method for you to purify the mind is through meditation. And that is why, Buddhists, put strong emphasis on meditation. Because, with meditation, you have a more purified mind. You have a clearer mind. With that, you would not only have good judgment, for, seeing good things as good, bad things as bad, but also you would attract good things or pure things into your life. Not something evil. You would attract, wholesome things, wholesome animals, wholesome people into your life because you have a clear mind, a purified mind. Well, this is similar to, the modern law, which is the law of attraction, which, tells you to think positively so that you would have sort of, a positive mindset, because there's this, sort of theory that says you are, an average of the 5 closest people around you. This is very similar to mind over matter, because what governs you is not anything else, but rather, what your mind is put into. So a similar or a parallel law to the law of attraction, or to think positively in Buddhism, is to make a resolution. Well, in Buddhism, making a resolution is not, asking for, wishes from the Lord Buddha, or, asking for wishes from any gods, but it is rather to keep your mind in that goal, to have that goal in your mind, and, to keep thinking about it, to have a strong enough willpower, to set your mind into achieving those things. And that is making resolution in Buddhism. And it is one of the important, we call it perfections in Buddhism. We must make resolution in order to sort of set goals for our lives, for future lives. And that's about it for this episode on mind over matter. And if you were to have any questions, queries, comments, or any suggested topics for me to talk about, feel free to reach me at BuddhismBits@gmail.com. It's BuddhismBits@gmail.com. Ehi pazzico, come and see you soon.